Hello and welcome to today's edition of the Yorkshire Gardener with my latest vlog. I hope you enjoy it. Today is the 23rd of January. It's a lot warmer than it usually is. Yes, very warm today. It's a massive 11 degrees warm here in Sheffield. A lot warmer than it has been recently with all the snow and rubbish weather we've currently been having. So hopefully I'll get quite a bit done today. Let me show you around what we're going to be doing today. I hope you enjoy. This was one of the areas that I did recently, cleared it all. Still looking good. A few weeds growing here and there, but we'll soon get them out eventually. Rhubarb popping through. That was the chicken feed that I put down recently to give it some food. Now this is the area that I'm going to be concentrating on. As you can see, it's looking rather horrendous at the moment. I've got a lot of work to do. Got all my frame to get back up. This is my strawberry bed. I need to get all them sorted and looking good, ready for them to start growing again. This was all my pea fencing down the middle. That's all blown over. Winter, it certainly does some damage to your plot, but the winter months are about getting it all ready and ready for January. So yeah, I've got quite a mission on my hands at the moment. Today I'm going to be working on this side of the plot. Spend a few hours clearing these beds. All my beds are marked out. They're not raised beds, but I just mark them out so that they're easy to see where I'm working. Eventually I want to get paving slabs all the way down in between the beds. As you can see, I've got some here under the muck. But yeah, they'll be visible again soon. So yeah, let's see how we get on today. View before, and I'll show you the after look. That's today's job over and done with. 2 beds cleared. As you can see, there's still a few odd weeds about, but I'm not like one of these TV shows where it's completely clear. They usually have about 1,000 helpers clearing the patch when they're showing what they're doing on TV in the background. Unfortunately, I've not got 1,000 helpers helping me. It's just me by myself, hard at it. Yeah, so that's today's job done. Just 16 more beds to clear, but if I keep at it like this, it'll all be clear, ready for planting season. Bit by bit, get there in the end. Hopefully I'll have a good session on it on maybe tomorrow if the rain keeps off, and also Thursday. Nothing planned on them days. So yeah, come back and see how I get on. Thank you for watching. A massive thank you for watching today's vlog. I hope you've enjoyed it. I hope you come back and keep watching my videos and seeing my progress through this year down on the allotment. I also want to say a massive thank you to everybody that's subscribed to my channel so far. I've got over 100 now. I reached the 100 mark at the weekend. So please hit the subscribe button. Let's see if I can get up to 200. I was very surprised at 100, but yeah, I hope you subscribe to the channel and get the notifications when new videos are posted. I'm also on Facebook. I've got a Facebook page. It's called the Yorkshire Gardener. Please like it on there. I post questions, just other photos of what I've been doing, so you can keep up to date via that as well. So yeah, find me on Facebook, the Yorkshire Gardener, and also I'm on Instagram. Feel free to find me on there, called the Yorkshire Gardeners. They couldn't have the Yorkshire Gardener, it must have already been taken, so the Yorkshire Gardeners. Yeah, and I post photos on there as well, so feel free to find me and like it on there. Thank you for watching this week's video.